Hello and welcome. This is Lisa Howard again with another video. This channel is all about entrepreneurship and using the internet to find resources to earn extra money. But today I want to talk about success and age, because so many times people may think that it's too late for them to follow whatever it is that they are dreaming about, or whatever it is they want to pursue. You might feel like, oh, I'm 30, oh, it's too late, or I'm 40, or I'm 50, 60. But this video is to encourage you and let you know that it's never too late. Success does not have a deadline, and you should pursue your passion regardless of age. So I just want to give you some examples of people who pursued their passion regardless of age. They didn't let age stop them. So, and I have them written down. So, Ray Kroc, McDonald's founder. He was 51 before he stumbled upon the McDonald's brothers and founded the McDonald's as we know it. Now, according to the movie, he stole these people business from up under them. But the point is, he was 51 when he found success in business. Colonel Sanders was 62 before he found any success in his fried chicken. Morgan Freeman was 52 before he found a lead role, before he was able to get a lead role in his acting career. I was 44 when I got my bachelor's degree. So anything that you choose to do and you feel like it's too late and you let that stop you, I'm here to tell you that you should not let fear or whatever it is that's stopping you make you feel like you're too old to go after what it is that you're dreaming about. Success has no deadline, and you just dedicate a few years of your life to do what others don't want to do, so you can spend the rest of your life doing what others can't do. So that's my message for today. And that is, regardless to what you think about it being too late to start your entrepreneurial venture, to go back to school, or to do whatever it is you have in your mind to do, it's never too late. Now, side note, if you're 77 years old and you want to be a stripper, then disregard everything I just said. But if you got realistic goals, it's not too late. This is Lisa, and I will talk to you later.